What's going on, family? Welcome to Discover Flavor, and today we're making quick and delicious fried chicken over some mashed potatoes, onion and gravy with some fresh broccoli. But before we do, as always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, drop me a like, and hit that bell for notifications, and select all so you're notified each and every time we upload. Now we got our chicken breasts here. We're gonna just flatten those out. Now you can flatten it to your liking, okay, the thickness of your liking. It's up to you. This process right here, the chicken cooks super fast, so if you're at a crunch for time, this is a perfect dish. Let's go ahead and season that bad boy. We got our Autry seasoning. Jumping straight out the gate with that Autry's. Now we're gonna move this chicken around so all the pieces that we missed, we're gonna season all parts actually. Got our black pepper. We're gonna hit it with some of this onion powder. Like I said, all the places we missed, we're gonna go ahead and hit those with the seasoning we like. As you can see, we lightly dusting it with the seasoning, so we ain't doing too much. Alright, now we got our Autry chicken seasoning. Gonna throw that in the Ziploc bag. Now using Ziploc bags are quick and efficient, man. Pounding out the chicken in one, throwing the flour in the other. So we're gonna get all our chicken in there. Start with the first three. Let's get them a shake. Throw the last three in the bag. Invite them to the party too. No chicken left behind. Going to seal that up and give it a good shake. Let's mix that real nice. Now we got a medium-sized white onion. We're gonna go ahead and chop this thin slices. This right here is gonna go in the gravy. It's gonna be the base of the gravy. And we cheating today, man. We're using the jar gravy. It's what it is, man. Sometimes you're in a crunch for time, man. That's what you gotta do. All right, we got our fresh broccoli. I just want the florets, so I just break those off. Cut off any stem that I don't want. Right, got another big piece. Let's go ahead and clean these off. Now we're gonna go ahead and throw them in the strainer, and we're gonna rinse these. We're gonna give them a good clean. All right. So while we clean those up, we're gonna go ahead and throw some oil straight into the pan. That cast iron skillet ain't no joke. Throw a little piece of flour in there to check the heat, and I go ahead and throw them pieces right on in the mix. After they done brown on one side, we're gonna go ahead and give them a flip. Again, internal temperature for chicken, 165 degrees. Now we got a little grate on the side. We done brown them on both sides. I'm going to take them out. We're going to add the next batch in and do pretty much the same. Okay, we only do 3 to this size cast iron skillet. We'll flip those. Golden brown on the back. When they're done, boom, take them right on out. Now we're gonna go ahead and saute these onions down. Got a little pat of butter in there. Let that melt down just a little bit. Let's move it around. We're gonna put up a little bit. Let's go ahead and add our onions straight into the pan. We're gonna saute these down to they, got some good color on them. I want them nice and brown. Got them a little brown in there. Now we got some Heinz home style gravy we got going on. I gotta cut the fire down a little bit, it's jumping. Let's give it a good mix. Now you can add one or two jars. I actually ended up adding another jar in there. I like a lot of gravy myself. Season it up, give it a little salt. Hit it with a little pepper. Make sure that's mixed up in there pretty nice. Now we're gonna go ahead and add some water to a pot that's ready to boil up. I think it's about 4 cups. Bring that to a boil. Add our butter in there. I told you it's a cheat meal, so we're doing instant gravy, instant mashed potatoes. So that's brought to a boil. We're gonna remove that and add our roasted mashed potatoes straight into there. It's that garlic and herb right here. Really nice, really, really nice. See how that thickens up? Again, this is a quick meal, quick home cooked meal, man. You ain't gotta call no Uber Eats or nothing like that. You can make this real fast. Throw a pat of butter in there. Hit it with a little bit more salt. We're ready to plate. So we're gonna throw our broccoli on there. Now I normally season this off to the side after I drain it. Okay, put some butter in there. And let it cook down a little bit in that butter. Man, you're gonna get 2 big heaping spoonfuls of these mashed potatoes. Right. That butter is melted down in there. Got our onion and chicken gravy. Gonna throw that right over the top. Slide one of those pieces of chicken on top of there. We're gonna hit it with just a little bit more gravy. Then I'm gonna show you what we're working with over here. Listen, if you want something quick, fast, delicious, all kinds of flavor, man, this quick and delicious fried chicken is what you want right here. Okay? And there you have it, family. Fried chicken, mashed potatoes, gravy, onions, and broccoli. This stuff right here is the dinner of champions. Thank y'all for checking out Discover Flavor. Hope you like what you're seeing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, hit that bell for notifications. See you next time. Peace.